I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your mail provider's attachment limits and any storage policies so you won't hit a hard stop. Once done, compress or resize images to about 1024 pixels or target JPEG till to 70% to keep each message under limits. Next, organize photos into dated folders and apply clear file names like YIMMDD description. JPG so you can find things later. Make sure to test with one message containing a few images before batching many emails to avoid surprises. You now compose the message, using a dedicated label or folder so stored photos won't get lost in your inbox. Attach images directly when small, or compress multiple files into a single zip when attachments exceed limits. This also preserves folder structure. Use descriptive subject lines and add short body notes with tags or keywords for quick searching later. If your provider supports it, include inline thumbnails so you can visually scan messages, and double-check that attachments uploaded fully before sending. You finish by sending a test email to yourself and verifying attachments open on both desktop and mobile, making sure file names and metadata remain intact. Once confirmed, batch send or schedule as needed, and monitor your mailbox storage so you don't exceed quotas. Archive older photo emails to a local drive or cloud backup when necessary. If attachments fail, try smaller batches, convert to a more compressible format like JPEG, or package files into a zip. These steps usually resolve common transfer problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.